Hello everyone, this is Michael. In this video, we will talking about the operate in Python. Okay, there's two things we will to discuss. One thing is the stand operates. Another thing is operate modules. Okay. First, let's take a look at this WebAssign. This website is official Python website, and we are focused on 2.7 version. Okay, this is especially for operate, stand operate. Okay, let's go down the bottom of it. Okay, so you will see here, and this is what you need to do in the Python. This is plus, addition, added, okay, plus, and division, okay, division, and okay. So this is a list of all the regular operate in the Python here. Okay, here multiple. Okay. So how we test it? So you can do the test like this. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, let's open the terminal. Okay, and we go to the test folder, and we create a test Python. It already has from the last videos. Okay, so what we need to do is to do a very simple plus operation is here. Okay, this is for Python 2. We remove this one, so we just print out the Python plus added x plus y. Okay, and we save it, and okay, we run it, test. Okay, so this will get the result. If you want to test other things, you just change this. For example, if you want to test multiple like this, and then you will do like this, and then save it. Okay, then we run it. Okay, so this will be changed. You can test all the list. The list is for all the standard operate. We need to mention one thing about the difference between the 2.7 and 3. And you can change the document from here. So this will tell you how it will show and describe the standards in different version. Okay, 3.6, 3.5. The latest one is 3.6. Okay, we are begin from here, 3.7.1.14. Okay. And so we need to consider the difference between the Python 2 and Python 3, and we mentioned it before. The divide will be different, and so we do a example test like this. Okay. So first we test in Python 2. Okay, Python 2. Okay, move this. So this is in Python 2. Okay, Python 2. So it like do this. This is called floor division. Okay, it's here. Division. This is floor division. Okay, this is division, is standard division. Okay, and so this is integer. This is float. We talk it about we talk about it in the data type video. Okay, so let's see in the Python 2 the standard regular division will be what look like, and the floor division will what will be looks like, and this is integer and this is a float. And then let's save it. Okay, so we run it. Okay, you will see the result is this, and this is for Python 2. Let's test it in Python 3. And because the Python 3 is also installed it by default, so we also can run the Python 3. We only change one thing. The only thing is here. We change. This is Python 3. Then this is Python 3. We save it. We only change this and didn't change this. We see the result. What kind of difference will be? Okay. Okay, so there is a little bit of error. Okay, so let's take a look. Line 3 here. Okay, save and run it. Okay, and we take a look. So here you will remember the print. We need added a symbol like this. Okay, because the print in Python 3 is different, so in Python 2 is like this. Okay. So in Python 2 is like this. In Python 3 it should be like this. Okay, we save it. Then we run it. Okay, so you will see. Let's run the Python 2 again. So we will see the result is better. Okay, we change this. This is Python 2. This is Python 2. We remove this because in Python 2 the print is a statement. We mentioned it before. Okay, we save it. Right. Okay, so we will see here is very clear. For the float numbers, this standard division and the float division is the same result. You will see here. So no change. Didn't change in the Python 3. And for the float division, it's also the same for the integer. But for the division, it changed. For integer, it's changed. So it can in Python 3 is get 1.5, but in Python 2 is get 1. So it's different. So we needed to know the different. We need to take care of this when you use the division like this. So you need to think about the difference between the Python 2 and the Python 3. Okay. So this is one thing we needed to think about for the standard operators. Okay, the second thing, the operator modules. Actually, in Python, there is a module. Let's take a look at the link again. So this is module. This is a module. So this is a module. This module is in the operate module. This is a function. This is a function in the operate module in here. So this is in this module. So usually we prefer to call the module. It means we call this function. We call the operator function. We prefer call this one first. Why? Because call this one is faster than call this standard one. Why? Because the module is created by C language. The C language is faster than the Python, and the Python will be understand and transfer by the Python original code will transfer by the Python itself first, then go for the C language. But if you using the function, if you using the module function like this, it's directly running in C language, so it will be faster. And how we use this function, let's take a look. We demo how we use this. So we added this file again. So for the Python 2, we needed to do things like this. So this is import the modules, and here will be use the function, directly use the function to print out the result. This is two parameter. This A and B is an input parameter for the function. Okay, we save it. Let's try to run it. Okay, so you will see this is a result. And you can try others like the multiple MUL, and we can save it and run it. Save, close, and run it. Okay, it is here. So this is multiple. Let's take a look. So this function is from the here. So you can test each one of this function by this way. So first you import the module first, and then get the input parameter, setting the input parameter, and then use the print like this. Please remember, this is Python 2. You maybe like do things like this. If Python 3, you need to add it. You need to do the things like this. Okay. Okay. Let's maybe try this again. We change this like 3. This is for Python 3. Okay. Yes. So this is correct. Oh, we need to change one more thing. If it is multiple, so we change this thing. It's multiple. Okay. So we run it. We run it again. Yes, correct. So we get the correct result. Okay. So for this video, we introduced two ways. One way is the standard Python operators, and another way is operate modules. We recommend to use the modules to do the calculate, because this one is faster. Okay, so that's it, and this for this video, and I'm Michael, and I hope you like it.